foolishly loving Christmas music and foolishly doing my very first ever Christmas music baritone tutorial. I do have a regular tutorial as well, the GCEA tuning. You only need these basic chords in order to do this song, but there are a few of these chords that are like beyond beginner a little bit. They're in this song too. You're going to need 2 strums in order to do this song. Most of the song, everything only gets 2 beats. So we're going to do a 2-beat strum, but we're going to shuffle it, kind of like Bing Crosby. So on a G chord, it sounds like this. So down, shuffle down, shuffle down, shuffle, or do, be do, be do, be do. The mechanics of it is that the first down, it gets 1 whole beat. The down up share a beat, 2 sounds on 1 beat, and the down is slightly longer than the up. So, and it's a little bit louder. So think of the words down, shuffle down, shuffle down. Use those words to help give you the feeling of that unequal down up in the second part of the strum. Some of the chords need 4 beats. So what to do on those? You can double up your 2-beat strum and you'll have 4 beats. So on a G, you could just go down, shuffle, and I have color-coded all those chords in yellow in the chord chart. The other thing that you could do is you could play an island strum, so you'd be going from down, shuffle, an island strum. I find that I like to do a combination of both. When I'm doing the A section, there are 2 sections to the song. So the first section, the A section, I like to do the island strum because it happens at the ends of phrases, and it makes more rhythmic activity with your accompaniment at the ends of phrases as you're tapering off your singing. So it makes good musical sense. There's a B section, and it's got a lot of words in it, and so I want to reduce the strumming challenge and make the words shine. So what I'm going to do is keep it a pretty straight 2-beat strum on the yellow chords, and then as you notice there's some single down strums as well. It sounds like this. A pair of hop-along boots and a pistol that shoots is a wish of Barney and Ben. Dolls that will talk and will go for a walk is a hope of Janice and Jen. Like that. And then I'll go into an island strum at the very end. So, and Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. So that's how I vary those 4-beat strumming patterns, just to keep it interesting and keep it sane. The hardest chord transition that we need to do in this song is going from a D7 to a B minor. I have 3 hacks to help you with that. First hack is don't play the 2-beat strum, just do 2 down strums on that D7. So you're going to go down, down, B minor, like that. So what that does is gives you a half a beat, down, down, to reposition your hands. Another hack, which won't mess up any of the strumming that's going along, is to put an E minor 7 in there. And E minor 7 is a totally open chord. So doing that, I'll show you all together. It goes down, down, up, down. So on the up, down, down, up, I reposition my hands, but my strumming hand still gets to keep that 2-beat strum going. A third hack, which is it's not the best choice, but it happens in such a short period of time, it's an acceptable choice, is going from the D7 to a B minor 7. So that's a lot easier, just picking up 1 finger, and it goes by so quickly that, most people won't notice, I think. Hey, I'm hoping that you can help this channel out. Please don't forget to hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. Hit the notification bell and make a comment on this as well and share it with your ukulele friends, maybe on a Facebook group that you take part in or a jam group that you regularly participate in. I'd surely appreciate it. And hey, if you want to help this channel out and get rewards for yourself, consider joining me on Patreon because I have over 300 chord charts available for you. The color coding that I do is available in so many of those chord charts. I've got strumming patterns in there. I've even got the starting vocal pitch. Say that 3 times fast. Anyway, love to have you on Patreon. 2 Zoom sessions a month where you can ask me questions and jam with me. So come join me. I'd sure appreciate it. And patrons, thank you so much for your support because I really could not be doing this without your help. Time for a little practice sesh. This song has 2 sections, so we're just going to do the ukulele part. And singing, I'm going to hum along with it. So join me with this. The first section has 2 different endings, so we're going to do twice. First ending and then the second ending. So 1, 2, here we go. Da, 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 bum, bum, 4 beats. Da, 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 ba, ba, da, 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 da. Let's do the second time through. 1, 2, here we go. Da, 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 4 beats trumpet. Da, 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 da. Let's do the second section. It has some down strums in it too. Single ones. 1, 2, here we go. 4 beat strum and up, down, down. 4 beat strum and down, down, down. And 4 beat strum and 4 again. Let's get ready to do the play along. Your starting vocal pitch is a B. It's beginning to look, or if you're down lower, it's beginning. I can't quite go that low, but I'm going to try. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready, begin. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. Take a look at the 5 and 10, glistening once again, with candy canes and silver lanes aglow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store, but the prettiest sight to see is the holly that will be on your home front door. A pair of hop-along boots and a pistol that shoots are the wish of Barney and Ben. Dolls that will talk and will go for a walk is the hope of Janice and Jen. And Mom and Dad can hardly wait for school to start again. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas everywhere you go. There's a tree in the Grand Hotel, one in the park as well, the sturdy kind that doesn't mind the snow. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Soon the bells will start, and the thing that will make them ring is the carol that you sing right within your heart, right within your heart. hope you enjoyed playing that along with me, just as a little history nerd section. This was written by the same composer who wrote all the music to Music Man, and he lived in Mason City, Iowa. I got breakfast there before, and they do believe, because there was a grand hotel it was a Frank Lloyd Wright hotel there, and that he is actually singing about his own hometown. All right, here it is. I'll pop in a picture. Enjoy the holiday season, enjoy learning the holiday music, and I've got a lot more videos for you to choose from, both regular and baritone ukulele.